It's time for another Monday vlog. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. I had a pretty good weekend. It was my birthday. So I kind of just checked out this past weekend, hung out with my boys, and this morning I came down to the workshop and it was just a massive mess from last week's videos. I got like 8 videos up last week. I think it was 8 including the vlog. Yeah, so it was a wild week and it just turned the workshop upside down. And then actually I came into the workshop and my heater wasn't working. So I got a heat pump AC unit for the workshop and it just stopped working after. It only used it for a year for the heat pump. But anyway, I got the place cleaned up. It's looking pretty good, and I've got some stuff to show you guys. Some stuff came in. I started on the Super Saver build. Got stuff out of the box, basically. I kind of looked at the Traxxas project that I'm working on for this channel here. This week, we're going to put the winch into it. I'll get that video up sometime later this week. But I got the stuff that I've showed you from the previous week still. Some of that stuff is still in the works. And then I've got some new cars to show you that came in. So let's check these out over here. The Arrma Mojave 4S came in. Very excited about that. I had a bunch of people asking me when the video was coming out, and this arrived, I think it was on Saturday. I've already pulled it out of the box just to take a peek at it. And guys, I really like the way this truck looks. I know there's a bunch of reviews out already, but we're going to have a lot of fun with this one. And I just really like 4S power. It's a really usable power system, and I think this truck is just going to be a blast. And then above it is the Turbo Racing semi truck. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to show that yet. I think I've seen some pictures of it out there. But that thing just looked pretty cool, and it's got like lights in the trailer. It's really small. I think that's going to be a lot of fun for around the house. Then I just want to give you guys a heads up. Traxxas has a sale on these things, and just in case you miss it, I'll have links for it in the video description below, but it's like $50 off of one, or they've got a deal if you buy 2 of them. And so I went and got myself the silver special edition one. So I'm gonna have a fun little video on that just to talk about the deal, because those things are a blast. My kids run the Supra Vortex in the driveway, and I know the Corvettes are fun too. And then this came in, the TC01 Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR. I think there's a lot of people excited about this one. Just a killer body set on this. The TC01 is a fun chassis, and I've got some option parts coming for it as well. So that's going to be a pretty cool video. So those have been added to the workload list along with the Team Associated Reflex 14B. I think I'm going to hit up Galley Mods this week and hopefully take that Super Saver as well. And then I've got the Red Cat hauler. That thing just looks so cool. I got to get to it. And actually, I've got the Element Nightwalker just about wrapped up. That's probably what you're going to see first on the RC Driver Online channel. So make sure you subscribe to that, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for all the support, guys. We'll see you back next week.